So we've come to Friday's dictation now, the 4th of September. So you'll write 4/9/2020. We've got 3 sentences today because it's Friday. The first sentence is, I have a mother and a father. So it's, I have a mother and a father. 7 words. First 2 words are, I have. A mother and a father. I have a mother and a father. Check your capital letters and check your full stops. Number 2, the river is long and cold. The river is long and cold. 6 words. Let's break them down. The river is long and cold. Third sentence, my mum is the driver of our car. My mum is the driver of our car. So it's another 8-word sentence this week. Break it down. My mum is the driver of our car. So let's go through those 3 sentences again. I have a mother and a father. Second sentence, the river is long and cold. Third sentence, my mum is the driver of our car. Use your eyes, check it over. If there is anything you need to change, just cross it out with your pencil and write on top of it. Do not rub it out, okay? Hope you have done well.